Have you ever wondered how oil and gas, two of the most important resources powering our world, are extracted from deep beneath the Earth's surface? How does a simple idea on paper turn into massive drilling operations, producing energy that fuels industries, homes, and transportation? Behind every drop of oil and every cubic foot of gas lies a fascinating process of science, engineering, and teamwork. And today we're taking you on an in-depth journey, step by step, into the world of oil and gas well drilling. Whether you're a newcomer looking to start your career or just curious about how it all works, this is the ultimate guide to drilling, simplified and explained for everyone. Welcome to the world of oil and gas insights. Oil and gas sector is a fascinating industry that fuels the world's energy needs. This video will provide a detailed overview of the entire drilling process, from planning to completion. Let's dive right in. Before drilling begins, it's all about preparation. The process starts with identifying potential oil and gas reserves using seismic surveys and geological data. Engineers and geologists work together to analyze the data and decide the best location for drilling. This phase involves creating a detailed drilling plan, obtaining necessary permits, and securing funds. Key points are: 1. Site selection, geological studies and seismic surveys. Environmental and legal considerations. 2. Rig selection, choosing the type of rig, onshore or offshore. 3. Well design, planning the wellbore trajectory and casing. 4. Safety protocols, emphasizing safety standards and equipment checks. With the planning complete, the next step is mobilizing the drilling rig. This involves transporting and assembling equipment at the site. Once set up, the rig is prepared to drill into the Earth's surface. Key points are: 1. Rig components. The key parts of a drilling rig are derrick, drill string, rotary table, and mud pumps. 2. Foundation work. Preparing the drill site, leveling the ground, and installing a conductor pipe. 3. Blowout preventer, BOP. Installing the BOP to ensure safety during drilling. Once the rig is set up, the actual drilling process begins. Let's break this down into simple steps. Key steps are: 1. Spudding in, starting the drill and creating the initial hole. 2. Drill bit and drill string. Types of drill bits: Tricon, PDC. Role of the drill string in transferring rotational force. 3. Drilling fluids. Functions of drilling fluid or mud, cooling the bit, carrying cuttings, and maintaining pressure. 4. Casing and cementing. Installing steel casing and cementing it to stabilize the wellbore. 5. Directional drilling. Techniques for deviating the wellbore to reach targeted reservoirs, vertical or horizontal. 6. Formation evaluation. Logging tools to analyze subsurface formations. After reaching the target depth, it's time to prepare the well for production. This stage is called well completion. Key operational steps are: 1. Perforation, using perforating guns to create pathways in the casing and cement. 2. Ab-fracturing, if applicable, hydraulic fracturing to enhance oil and gas flow. 3. Testing, flow tests to ensure the well is producing efficiently. Installation of production. 4. Equipment, closing tubing, pumps, and valves for extraction. Drilling can be a challenging process, with potential risks such as blowouts, equipment failure, and environmental concerns. However, the industry prioritizes safety and innovation. 1. Common challenges. Well, instability, high pressure, and harsh environment. 2. Safety measures. Personal protective equipment, PPE, and regular safety drills. 3. Advanced technology, automation and real-time monitoring systems. The industry is also evolving to minimize environmental impacts. Companies now focus on sustainable drilling practices and restoring the environment after operations. Key points are: 1. Water and waste management. Proper disposal of drilling fluids and cuttings. 2. Emission control. Reducing greenhouse gas emissions during operations. 3. Site restoration. Rehabilitating drill sites after project completion. And that's an overview of the drilling process, from planning to completion. As you've seen, oil and gas drilling is a complex yet rewarding field that requires teamwork, precision, and dedication. Whether you're an engineer, a technician, or a safety officer, your role in this industry is crucial. If you're considering a career in oil and gas drilling, remember that this is more than just a job. It's a journey into innovation and exploration. Thank you for watching, and best of luck as you start your journey in this exciting profession. At Oil and Gas Insights, we're dedicated to bringing you the latest knowledge, tips, and deep dives into the world of energy exploration and production. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your journey, this is your one-stop destination for all things oil and gas. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you have questions or topics you'd like us to cover, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.